Get ready, start. It has been observed that for some time past the number of suspended employees of the board is on the increase, and in majority of such cases the allegations against the employees concerned even do not justify a minor punishment. Full stop. According to general principles to be observed in such cases, suspension should not ordinarily be ordered unless the allegations made against the official concerned are of a serious nature and on the basis of the evidence available there is a prima facie case for his dismissal or removal, or there is reason to believe that his continuance in service is likely to cause embarrassment or hamper the investigation of the case. Full stop. In other cases, it should suffice if steps are taken to transfer the person concerned to another place to ensure that he has no opportunity to interfere with the witnesses or to tamper with the evidence against him. Full stop. Next para. Since the suspension of employees on flimsy grounds results into financial loss to the board besides causing undue harassment to the concerned employees, it has been desired by the board that the various competent authorities should be very careful in dealing with the recommendations of suspension which are received from the various quarters. Full stop. It should be ensured that suspension of board employees should be resorted to only when the likely punishment is dismissal or removal from service and when there is likelihood that the official and officers, if retained on those posts, are likely to destroy the official record or to win over witnesses for their defense, and it would not be in board's interest to retain the employees on active duty while inquiry against them proceeds. Full stop. Next para. It has been further decided that a charge sheet to a suspended employees should be served within a period of 1 month, and that in case it is not so served, the competent authority who has suspended the employees must seek an extension from the next authority for another 1 month. Full stop. In the case of suspensions ordered by various chief engineers, the next higher competent authority to extend the period by 1 month would be the administrative member of the board. Full stop. Further, it has also been decided to delete forthwith the existing provision of automatic reinstatement in the event of non-service of a charge sheet within 1 month of the date of suspension. Full stop. Next para. The receipt of this communication may be acknowledged. Stop.